How to use international TikTok in China. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use international TikTok if you're currently residing in China. Take note that TikTok is actually blocked or not available in China. Then what you want to have to do here is to go into your Google Play Store and then look for a reliable VPN. Now you can type in VPN and then just simply purchase or do the subscription on the reliable VPN that you prefer. So say for example, NordVPN or any VPN that is available on Google Play Store. Now here's going to be the trick. If you pull up the VPN that you preferably use, you're going to have to change your IP address multiple times. So say for example, you change your IP address into Singapore, and then once you've done that, you pull up TikTok application, and then it still won't work. Then you're gonna have to rechange it to any working IP address inside or within USA. Now take note that it's not gonna be permanent. You're gonna have to be patient and change your IP address and that specific VPN that you use time to time if you will be kicked out or be blocked into your TikTok app. And I believe that's pretty much it. That is how you use international TikTok in China.